Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech Trees. On today's video I am going to show you how you can repair your laptop hinges when it gets broken. It's the most common fault in laptops. Once the hinges gets broken, you won't be able to open your laptop screen properly, or it may further damage either the touchpad or the screen. So this is how it looks like when the hinges gets broken. As you can see, when you try to open it, the noise will come and it will further damage your laptop. So today I am going to show you how you can repair this hinge, or you can say body repair. So let's get started. So guys, we have opened the laptop now, and you can see if you do not repair this, how much damage it can cause. So my suggestion is always get repair when this happens. Okay, you can see it is hitting the display cable. If I can show you properly, this hinge is touching the display cable of this laptop. Okay, so each time you open the screen, it will keep on hitting the cable like this, and further it will damage the cable. Maybe due to this screen also get damaged. So let me repair and show you how we can do it. To repair it, we need to remove the board as well first. So first I'll remove the board, and then I'll turn on the camera. I will show you how. We need to segregate screen and base, and then we can start the repairing. So guys, I have removed the board. As you can see, the base is separate and the screen is separate. Okay, so here what happens is, this is the actual position of the grooves which holds the screen. There are metallic grooves inside the plastic molded. Okay, most of the time these grooves come out from this plastic which is holding it. Here we put the screws to hold the screen. Okay, as you can see here, this plastic is completely broken, and the main screw which we put it from behind, that cover also has been broken. So if you can see here, both the grooves are there on the screen. Let me show you properly. Here you can see one groove is lying here and the two grooves are here. So we will remove this groove and we will put it back into the plastic, and then it will be fixed. So to repair this, all we need is a solder station where we can have one special solder iron to melt the plastic, and we need the grooves which we removed it. So here are the grooves which we removed from the laptop, all three grooves. And now we are going to fix it here. Here I guess we need to put only two grooves. The other one is, I think it is from the touchpad. So let's put two grooves first, and then one we will put it to the touchpad. Slowly we need to press it inside. So as you can see guys, the light is low, but still you can see the grooves has gone in on the right place. Now we will cover this main screw hole, because the hole is too big, the screw will pass out. So we will cover it and we will keep it like this, so that we can tighten the screw. Now we need a plastic here to put on this hole. So we will cover up this hole, and then we will melt it little bit. So here we have covered the hole, and now we will make one hole for the screw. Okay, so as you can see, it is intact now. So the base is ready now completely, and now we will repair the touchpad. So this is the touchpad. We need to melt it so that it will grip properly. So almost it is done. We'll put some chemical over it. Okay, so our job is almost done. All the grooves have been placed. Now we'll fix the laptop and we'll see it how it works. And we can open it clearly, smoothly. It is getting open and closed. So this is how we repair laptops, and we repair motherboards, CPUs. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.